Time to get on the road. Onward Bound. We stopped here at the rest area. I'm glad we stopped because I totally hadn't checked my fuel and I almost ran out of fuel, but I carry 5 gallons on the back, so that was good. I just put that in and we're headed to the gas station now, so. The only people that are not here is Dana and Steve and the kids. I'm just glad to be here. The traffic was ridiculously awful, but we're here in San Antonio. Welcome back to Texas and San Antonio. Alright, so that Walmart is no longer RV friendly. I don't know, someone must have spoiled it. Anyways, there is a street out there, out in front of the Walmart. It is RV friendly. I see an RV there, but it's also filled with trucks, so there's nowhere to park there. So I'm coming over to my aunt's house and I'm going to see, they have 2 lots here. I'm gonna see if everybody can fit. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but you know what? If we can fit, that will be amazing. I'm hoping for the best. So here's my aunt's house. Yay! Okay. Oh, I should be able to fit here. Oh no, I want to. Let's see. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna pull into my cousin's lot. Oh, scraping with some. I'm gonna need them to cut these dang trees down. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna be good pulling up like this. Okay, let's see. I think I am. I'm gonna go talk to my aunt and uncle real quick and see. Ugh. Lord, wish me luck. Okay, like I said, they own these 2 lots right here. This is what it looks like now. There are no vehicles. My aunt actually moved her vehicles out of this lot so everybody could try to squeeze in. It's gonna be tight, but I think we can make it work. Right, Moo-moo News? Speaking of the devils, there they are right there. Oh, that's my, that's just my uncle. Okay.
Ring the doorbell.
I'm knocking on the door.
We have a doorbell.
Oh, there's the doorbell. Okay. I hear you in there, lady. Hello, go ahead. Hey. How are you doing?
I'm fine, baby.
Okay, the door hit me. Goggle. Well, they're on their way, so
Okay.
I think they'll fit.
I got a little bit of food, okay?
No, we're gonna go to let's go to King Buffet. I'll buy.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat. No.
What? You don't
No,
eat this late?
No, I don't.
Oh, God.
I told you. I got bad back.
Okay.
I'm trying to be.
Healthier?
I got a little bit. See? Look.
What you doing, meow meow? Yes. You remember me? Huh? God, you gotten so big. You're not a little small cushy cat anymore. Huh? Who's that little meow meow? She's like, I don't know if I remember you. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna smell your cookies. Smell it. Aw, Cute as ever. Meow. Okay. Up. Here comes the first of them. Hello, people. Yay! So I figured Ross, since he's the longest, to pull this way.
Okay.
And then y'all can pull in here.
Behind you?
Yeah, you think you can fit there? I don't know, y'all are pretty big.
Yeah.
What about go over there?
Over there I can probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in the first one goes. Straight forward. There you go. You're good. What you scared for, lady? Get out here.
You come out here. We all know you. We have both of you guys.
Don't scare her off. Do you want to park behind me?
I'm trying to wait. I'm waiting on Jenna.
Yeah, I'm waiting for because the big rigs are gonna fit there. So and then after they're fit, then Ross is gonna. I think Ross can go here. So who are you fighting with, huh?
Hey, children.
You're getting it. That's good. Okay, back up. Yeah, and then Jennifer can pull on the other side.
Where do you want it?
Okay. That's good. Y'all will still have to level out. Might actually have to back it up a little bit. You got this, girl.
Nothing like a little pressure.
I know.
Who says I'm home?
I know.
Okay, so I'm parking this way or
Oopsie. Yeah, keep on going. You got it. Yeah, pull over. Yeah, exactly. Pull that way. Yeah, just keep on going. Good job. We got this. We got it. Yeah, we can. Once Dana, I think Dana and them can figure. I want Ross to be here, but you got it. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Is that good? Your level? Okay. What's going on?
Right here.
What is it? Oh, my mail? You can't. Wait. Yeah, grab it for me. Can you grab it for? What are you using? Scissors? Oh my God! Give me that, you short stuff. Thank you.
That's all I got.
Okay.
Don't have to have enough, and we have our own food.
We carry our own food.
Here's a snack, though.
Oh, thank you.
We all eat different.
That's sweet.
What am I eating?
Chicken.
Oh, I'm taking two then.
Okay.
I've ate chicken all day.
Chicken. My aunt made some chicken.
Oh, yes.
It's yummy.
Thank you.
Is that it? Here you go. My aunt made some chicken.
Oh, look at that. Yum. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Is that all you want? Come on. Get,
Yummy,
go ahead.
yummy.
You know you want another piece.
One more.
Good, good. Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come over here. Alright, Danny's here. All we're waiting for is Dana and the kids and Steve. So Ross is going ahead and backing in. Dana and the kids are having complications. They haven't arrived yet. They're gonna go to Petranco Automotives and get towed there. I think their steering went out. So. Oh my God, the family made it. Did you all get towed there?
We didn't wait on him.
Oh, so they're just, how are they gonna, what happened to your rig?
We left the key for them
We
to
didn't
tow.
have our RV. There's no room.
Yeah, there is, right here. There's still one spot right here, see?
Thank goodness.
Yeah, right here. That's why I said, you know, if you wanted to have had it towed here, you could, but then you would have to worry about getting it
Even
towed.
there yet.
Oh, so you just, they said leave it and no crap.
Yeah, we just left the key.
So yeah, we got one more spot, girl.
2 hours.
So,
Then he had to go back.
Oh, they have a whatever the Siberian
yeah, husky.
Huskies. This is a nice neighborhood.
Are you guys ready to motel? Oh, maybe are they going to throw it over here?
Yeah, the dogs out.
Are you going to spend the night in your RV, or are you going to have to get a motel?
Daddy.
Lee,
In
she
the RV
said,
at the garage.
Lee.
Where they tow it. Yeah.
Down here.
Yeah, it'll be near here. Within a mile.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Real close.
Because I was like, I don't want to go driving across town to visit them.
Oh, yeah.
So,